Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the T-Rex from Mattel. Wait lang hanapin ko yung description ulit. Ayun, T-Rex, Jurassic Mattel Legacy Collection, Tyrannosaurus Rex from T-Rex Breakout Pack. So this is the third figure na ginawa ko for Sir Kevin of Tisoy Toy Hunter. Ito yung project namin together. Tisoy Toy Hunter X Rain Cifra. So first step is to spray Boston number 191 flat clear para mag-act siya as a primer dun sa figure. Tapos mag-apply tayo ng shadows. Yung mid-tone, yun yung original color ng T-Rex. So mag-apply tayo ng shadows. After ng shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2, and add a little bit of green and purple para sa iba't ibang color patches ni T-Rex. And then after that, line art. So yun yung buong process na gagawin natin dito kay T-Rex. Okay, for the next color, we are going to use light ash and light camo brown. So, idadrag lang natin yung paint across the surface. Ang ginagawa natin paint technique dito ay comic book paint style. So, very gestural yung line, yung process ng, ay yung paghagod ko ng brush. Ayan. Para siyang merong flick motion para nakikita yung brush strokes. This is also the first time na gumagawa ako ng T-Rex na dinosaur na action figure for custom repaint. So again, thank you for the opportunity, sir. Super excited ako magawa to. Okay, next color will be yan. So ito na yung status niya. Natuyo na rin yung layer ng ating light ash and light camo brown. So in between your paint layers, make sure natuyo na yung previous layer. Okay, so next step is to apply yung line art na. So dito pala nag-add ako ng slight patches of yellow and green. Yun pala yung in-add ko, yellow and green. Para lang magkaroon ng konting color variation, hindi siya yung super neutral colors like brown, light brown, and dark brown. Yan. So meron din colors meron ding paint yung loob ng kanyang mouth. So nag-add ako ng red and light red. Okay, lighter shade of red. Then after nito, line art na tayo. So sa line art, pwede tayong gumawa dito ng comic book line art techniques like feathering, cross-hatching, kung saan pinaka malalim yung mga areas, doon tayo maglalagay ng line art. So in this case, doon sa pagitan ng kanyang very big thigh muscles, sa kanyang jaw, doon sa loob ng kanyang mga lited sa mouth. So yun yung ating guide for this line art. Kung paano rin ako mag-drawing sa 2D, ina-apply ko rin sa 3D. Alright, there you have it. Tapos na ang ating project. Ang last na step na ginawa ko dito, nag-apply ako ng top coat to protect yung paint job na ginawa natin. Again, thank you very much, Sir Kevin, aka Tisoy Toy Hunter. Ito yung project natin together. And done na si Tyrannosaurus Rex. So yun mga ma'am, sir, that's it. If you want to know more about Tisoy Toy Hunter, punta lang kayo sa kanya Facebook page. He also does reviews of action figures. Yung mga toy hunt niya, super cool. And yun, if you want to know more about custom repaint ng mga tutorials, just go to my YouTube page, Ralph Cifra, my Facebook page, Rain Cifra. Okay? So yun lang, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.